welcome people. How is it going? Today we are going to be showing you Reubens, the king of all sandwiches. The Reuben is my favorite sandwich by far. This is a list of the ingredients. We got Jewish rye bread, we got some Swiss cheese, sauerkraut, some Russian dressing, and of course we have the corned beef. So I showed you how to make some Russian dressing in another video. I'm not sure if I've uploaded that yet or not, but here is me finishing that up. You're of course going to take some rye bread. I use Jewish rye bread because that's just what I prefer. You're going to butter that up. You're going to heat every single thing up on the flat top or whatever you're going to grill all this on. But nevertheless, you're going to heat it all up so that it will be warm when you start to grill your bread. Because if you throw it all inside your bread, start cooking it that way, by the time it gets warm, your bread's going to be burnt. Or if you just cook your sandwich to golden brown dank, then your stuff inside's not going to be warm, and that just won't taste good. So heat it all up before you put it on there. You're going to be laying the cheese down on this bread. And I use butter. You can use whatever kind of fat you want. You can use mayonnaise. You can use oil. You could use margarine if you really want. But once this is all warm, you don't want to cook it too much because you're going to dry it out if you cook it too much. But once you get it all sufficiently warmed up, you're going to go ahead and put that onto the sandwich. See that noise? That noise is what you want to hear when you're cooking stuff on a grill like this. You don't want to hear a bunch of silence because that means your fat's not up to temperature, and that means all your fat's going to soak inside whatever kind of food you're getting. So if you're trying to grill some bread up like this, it will just soak into the bread and you'll have a bunch of greasy, not dank food. Then we're going to go ahead and slather some Russian dressing up on this dank sandwich. Now, it all depends on how wet you like your sandwich, how much you like Russian dressing. And of course, you can use Thousand Island dressing. I used to use Thousand Island dressing until I tried Russian dressing for the first time. It's not that hard to make. It takes it to a whole new level. Like I said, you're going to cook this until it's golden brown and dank. You're going to flip that over, check the bread, make sure you're not burning it, and it'll look somewhat like that. Now, I like to use the fresh corned beef that I cook myself. I like to cut big old thick pieces. I know traditionally it's supposed to be thin, but I don't dig that. Whenever I make it by myself, the pieces are always thick because it's usually leftovers. So here's what you can do with the leftover meat from corned beef if you don't make corned beef hash. This is the king of sandwiches, and like I said, you put a healthy amount of sauerkraut on that. That's enough sauerkraut to make the sandwich healthy. Enjoy Dank Foods, like and subscribe, share this video.